Alice, good morning. Good morning. We're on our way to the river dito sa may Norsagaray to have the Sunday band with the swimmers. Parang ano lang kami nagising tapos late na nga kami. I'm so sorry guys. Ayan. Wait lang. So, magkakaroon tayo doon ng parang boodle fight. Sana may mahanap tayong banana leaf. Pag wala, plastic.
Family. Compilation and memory. Welcome back to our channel.
Stop by. Hindi tayo ng mais kay kuya. 30 pesos isa.
Write my name.
Good job. Nicey? You show it to the camera that you're... Oh, wow. Wait, baliktad yung camera. Oh. Pen wrote his name. Good job, Pen. Here's the mais. Ate is so busy. What are we doing? Meeting place. Say hi. Hello. Hi. Naririnig ka sa vlog. Una na as.
Tita.
Nanas with us. Say hi. Let's go. Hi. Okay. You go there. Slowly. It's too rocky. Slowly. Go. Deep na ka. Hi, Kuya Marcos.
Ah, so spiky.
Okay, go. Okay, grab rocks. You grab your rocks. Pile your rocks.
It's so heavy, Mike. So heavy.
Yeah.
It's so heavy.
Busy na. Naligaw din ba sila? Naligaw. Magkakasama sila.
Nakasunod lang sa atin si Marina.
Hindi daw sila nakasunod sa'yo nung pag ano.
Okay. Okay, this is my part of the vlog.
Mag-drive pa ako. Kaya yan, Seth.
Rian! Marcos! Pepe! Gagalit si Mother. Hi, Nana. What are you doing? Hipon. Saan yung ginagawa mo? Wala tayong battery.
Norway.
Wala rin.
Hindi man freshwater yan eh.
Ayan.
Wala ilalim.
Hindi malaman ni Sir kung ano gagawin niya.
YouTube.
Monetize.
Please like and subscribe para ma-monetize.
Magkano na lang commercial?
Kaya nga.
Hindi malaman ni
Diba? Nagpunta Sweet yarn. Sa pa nga, hindi ko nakuha yun.
Ito yung uling mo.
December pa yan. December pa yung ulit.
Kita mo? Oo, may sobra pa.
Riano throwing of rocks. Hi. What are you doing, girls? Finding seashells? Really? Wow. Zian, hindi ganon. Is that your artwork, Vince?
Baby's artwork.
Kuya Marcos. Ate, you help them, ate. They're making a mini pool. Vlogger dad and the vlogger mom. Ate is busy cooking shrimp. Cooking show yarn. Ha?
May goggles daw ba si Pep?
Wala.
Nagmumok-mok.
Kasi wala siyang goggles.
Kasi pagtapon ng pagpili na
Kami. Yung umitis.
wala kasi ako
Kaya yung
Kuyawa ba? Kuyawa ba?
ayun yung mga unplanned na mga move.
Kaya ng plano-plano may dugay.
Masunod.
Parang naglalakad lang tayo tapos nandito na tayo. Kumuha ko ng dahon ng saging, 20 pesos para complete package ng ating Boodle Fight experience with the kiddos.
So now, you're prepared to banana leaf.
This is
Kaya ako pa ng subtitle.
completion ko na Google Fight experience.
Sorry. Tama lang, ikat ka.
Hindi, tapos tayo. Nakasang ilan pa naman.
Westo! Ready? Wait lang, nagugas ako.
Kanina pa na.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, Ready, 1, 2, 3, go, sige! Yan, go!
May hotdog base there. Kalahati na.
Kailangan ano.
Pag ito lumabas, manalo
The
ka.
teacher and the student.
Ay, isa lang din ng ano. Isa!
Lady, naka...
Isa!
Para kung may tumumano, nakaharang siya. Ready na siya. Ready na siyang magsalo.
Pero di naman manalo si Tita? Opo, kasi yung kanina po Tita, hanggang sa ano lang sunod ko lang Tita, yung kanina.
Ang gagawin nila, may line up pa.
May light up.
Magte-training sila! Paunahan!
Kaya ba mag-freestyle?
Mababaw dito eh. Oo. Pero malakas sa along Tita.
Sa malalim.
Oy! Dude!
Si Penpen ko! Nako!
Oo naman si Ben. Ben! Talaga dito Ben Ben.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow,
Go, Coach Vincent! Si Kuya Vincent nag-worry na. And of our vlog, done na sila. Done na sila. Did you enjoy?
Dito sila dalawa.
Did you enjoy?
Wala, nagsawa na kami.
End of our vlog. Nana, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Sa barko, puro floating, ano eh, floating sea.
Bye-bye! So guys, we're gonna end our vlog here. Did you enjoy, ate?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy, Pen Pen? Yes, we're going home now. Did you enjoy? Nonchalant pa na siya. Pag po talagang vlog ko, kumita. Wala akong porsyento. Yun lang, families! Okay, thanks! Bye!